Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Look Fantastic beauty box. So if you already know everything there is to know about this beauty box, then I will leave a timestamp in the comment section down below so that you can skip ahead if you want to, and if that's the case I'll see you on the other side. But if you don't know what Look Fantastic beauty box is, then I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave all of the detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Look Fantastic beauty box, it's a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. The website sells everything from makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, basically most things beauty related. I obviously also do this beauty subscription. It costs £15 a month on a rolling subscription, but you can take out a longer length of subscription with them and that will bring the cost of your box down. So for instance, I've got a 12-month subscription with them and my boxes cost me £13 a month. So you just get a little bit of a reduction really. There's normally 6 items within each box. Can tend to be a bit more sort of skincare heavy, so that might be something for you to bear in mind if you were interested in subscribing to a box. I know a lot of people probably aren't at the moment, but just in case you are. But there have also been quite a few makeup items over the last few months as well, so I found it's been quite a nice little mix. So I've been having this box for just over a year now and I'm still quite happy with the subscription. I'm still quite happy to continue with this subscription. So let's get into what we've actually got in the box. So when you take the lid off the box, there's usually a quote on the inside of it or some sort of inspirational comment, and this month it just says, "Hello spring, we missed you." So when you take off the lid, this is what it looks like. You've got a little booklet inside and this tells us everything we need to know about the items inside the box as well. So it tells you the RRPs, obviously what the items are. It also gives you a little description on how to use them as well, which is quite nice. There's usually a couple of little articles in here as well about the brands, about the items. It's usually quite an interesting read. So we'll be referring to this book as we go through the items in the box, just so that I can let you know what you need to know. On the back of the booklet there's usually a sneak peek for an item that's going to appear in next month's box, and this month is no exception. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, I'll leave timestamps down below so that you can just skip this next part. And yeah, if you do want to know, however, next month the May sneak peek is an Avant item, so it's going to be pricey, and it's the Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturiser, worth £100. That's not bad. So that's what everyone will get in their box next month. And with all of that out of the way, let's get into the box. So I've got a little sticker that tapes everything together, and oh, I remember. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I'm going to start with the item that was sneak peeked in last month's box. So that is this little thing here. So it's the Bellapierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. So if I remember right, I'm fairly sure they said this was launching with this box, so that's pretty cool. Oh, that's quite, I'll take the plastic off. So it's got a little mirror on here, and then this is what the shadows look like. They're quite large, aren't they? I mean, it's a dinky little palette, but I mean the pans are quite large, but that's quite pretty actually. That coral shade looks like it might be quite nice. That's actually something that I think I could get some use out of, so that's nice. Let's just do a little bit of a swatch so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3 and 4 on my little finger, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's quite pretty actually. So you can see those shimmers. There you go. That's quite impressive. I quite like that. So let's have a look and see what the book says. I just love how cute this is. How cute is that? It's just so tiny. Compact. The Bellapierre eyeshadow palette is worth £28.99, and it says, with 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, this Bellapierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launching in this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Box, is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blendable, and the perfect size for travelling with a handy mirror inside. How to use. Blend the matte shade all over your eyelid, adding 1 or more shimmer shades over the top for an extra bit of sparkle. So yeah, as I said, it looks quite nice. Looks like something that I could probably get some use out of. Quite liking the look of this top shimmery shade here. I've probably got about 1,000 of them at this point because it's a shade that I'm quite drawn to. But yeah, as I said, quite like it. Quite like how cute it looks. So that's a good start to this month's box. So next we've got, got a coffee scrub. So this is from Mind Tan. That's interesting. I've literally just used a self tanner from them this morning. So this is the Prep and Prime Exfoliating Coffee Scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. So it looks like it might be a little deluxe mini size. I love coffee scrubs. They're a little bit messy, but I love the smell of coffee, so this is just nice. And I like the effect it has on my skin as well. It's tightened, and I like the way it exfoliates, the way it feels as it's exfoliating your skin. So let's see what the book says. So the coffee scrub is worth £9.95. Doesn't say anything about it being a mini. Give yourself a full caffeine kick from head to toe with this exfoliating body scrub. Made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients, this scrub will remove dry, flaky skin to leave you feeling fresh, soft and with a more even skin tone. Apply a liberal amount all over face and body whilst in the shower, massaging into the skin in circular motions. So yeah, exactly what I thought it would be and how it normally works with a coffee scrub. Pleased to have that. Next we've got, okay, so we've got some slanted tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. It's a cute little box. Quite like the little box it's in. Let's just have a look at them. We not long since had some tweezers in a box. It might have been Glossy Box, and I remember that the RRP on them was something ridiculous, like £15, and they're all right, but they're not worth £15, so I'm really hoping that these aren't something similar. Okay, so that's what they look like out of the box. They actually look really chunky. They look like they might do the job. I can try them, see what I think of them. Let's see what the book says. So the tweezers are worth £8, so not quite as highly priced as the last pair we had, but I still don't think I'd pay £8 for a pair of tweezers. They feel very similar to some tweezers I've picked up for literally a few pounds. So these high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. Tweeze hairs in the direction of hair growth, preferably after showering, for best results. It's tweezers. I'm sure I'll get some use out of them. I'm forever losing tweezers, so I'm sure I'll use them at some point. Maybe they'll be okay. Okay, so next is this from Star Skin. Looks quite interesting. I don't think I've ever had anything like this before. It's got a little oil capsule. So it's the 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. So you cleanse the face and pat to dry, tear to separate, step 1 oil capsule, break open capsule and massage a few drops of camellia oil onto face, tear open sachet, remove protective layer and discard, apply mask onto face and leave for 15 minutes, remove and discard, gently pat in remaining serum, do not rinse. That sounds quite nice. Definitely willing to give that a go. I do like getting face masks. So let's see what the book says. So this is worth £9 and it says, get your glow back with this Star Skin Facial Sheet Mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens skin, whilst the niacinamide, mulberry bark extract and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy, luminous complexion. On dry, cleansed skin, break open step 1 oil capsule and massage into face, follow with step 2, the mask, and leave on for 15 minutes, remove and pat in remaining oils, exactly like I've just read off the back. So yeah, as I said, like sheet masks, like face masks in general, so I'm keen to give this one a try. Ooh! Oh, I'm excited for this one. Oh, come back. So it's the Ernal Laszlo Hydrate and Nourish Hydrophil Skin Supplement. I love this stuff. I had a sample of it maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago. Fell in love with it, but it's so expensive to buy a full size one, and I've recently picked up, I think it was last month, I picked up another sample sort of this size from Feel Unique, the sample service or the beauty kit, which is currently on hold while the current world crisis is happening. So I'm really pleased that I've got a little, it's a little sample size, but I'm really pleased that this is in here because I know this is expensive and I know I really like it. So that's cool. Let's just open it up so you can see the little bottle inside. So that's all it is. It's just a little toner for your face, but it's really moisturising. So if you do suffer with sort of hydration issues and you want some moisture with your skincare, I absolutely love this stuff. Okay, so this 15ml, so there's not a lot in here. It's worth £5.58. This calming toner is perfect for dry and sensitive skin, formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. With a blend of active humectants, it boosts cell renewal to encourage soft and supple skin. Swipe over skin using a cotton pad or apply directly with hands, patting into the face. So I just use this as I would a normal toner. I just put some onto a cotton pad and just swipe it over my face. I find that works really effectively. So really happy to have this in here. And the last thing that's in here is from Ameliorate. Now I've heard of this brand, but I've never tried anything from them, so this will be the first product. And it says transforming body lotion with alpha hydroxy therapy. Don't know what that is, so let's look at the book and see if we can fill in the gaps in my knowledge. So this is worth £4. Specially formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, the dry bumpy skin often found on the backs of your arms. I have that. Definitely keen to try that then. This rich moisturiser uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. Dermatologist approved. Apply daily, massaging into skin to see best results. That sounds really good. I'm really keen to try that. So I've always had that issue, always had those bumpy sort of texture on the backs of my arms. I get it on my legs as well, to be honest. It's not as bad as it used to be. I used to have it really bad when I was a kid, to the point where if my skin came into contact with certain materials, it just felt like it was pulling my skin. It's really quite painful. As I said, it's not as bad in adulthood as it was then, but I do still have some of it, so I'm really keen to give this a go. Okay, so that is everything from this month's box then. Quick little recap. We've got the Bellapierre eyeshadow palette, we've got the tweezers, we've got the face mask, we've got the coffee scrub, we've got the Erna Laszlo toner, and we've got the Ameliorate transforming body lotion. So overall, I'm really happy with this box. There's a couple of items in here that I'm really keen to try. Definitely keen to try this. This is something that I'm going to be trying out really soon. The eyeshadow palette looks quite pretty. I think I'll be giving that a go in the very near future as well. And probably my favourite item, even though I've had it before, it's not new, is the Erna Laszlo toner. So yeah, really happy with the box this month. As always, I'm going to leave the total of all the items in the description box. So over to you then, guys. What do you think of this box? What do you think of the items? Do you think it was worth the money? Is this a box that you have? What did you think this month? Just let me know in the comments down below. And that's it then, guys. So as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home if you can, and I will see you all again in another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.